Ever wondered how businesses make sense of the massive amounts of data they collect daily? There's a hidden hero behind the scenes, the data modeler. Now you might be wondering who or what exactly is a data modeler? Well, a data modeler is a bit like a map maker, but instead of physical terrain, they map out complex data landscapes. They design, create, and optimize data models, which help businesses to understand and utilize their data more effectively. In today's world, where data is as valuable as gold, these professionals play a crucial role. They enable companies to transform raw data into valuable insights that drive strategic decision making. Whether it's predicting customer behavior, optimizing operations, or even discovering new business opportunities, it's the data modeler who lays the groundwork. So the next time you see a business making smart decisions based on data, remember the unsung hero, the data modeler. So what exactly does a data modeler do on a daily basis? Well, in the simplest terms, a data modeler is like an architect, but instead of designing buildings, they design data structures. They create data models that define how data is stored, consumed, integrated, and managed by different data entities and IT systems, as well as any relationships between these data entities. This is crucial in ensuring that data is organized, accessible, and usable, but that's not all. A data modeler also collaborates with various teams across an organization. They work closely with data analysts, developers, and business stakeholders, understanding their data needs and translating those into technical specifications. This cross-functional collaboration ensures that everyone has the data they need to make informed decisions, and it's the data modeler's role to make it happen. Moreover, a data modeler is a guardian of data accuracy. They implement data validation rules and structures, ensuring that the data flowing into and out of systems is accurate and reliable. This is vital because decisions are only as good as the data they're based on. If you've ever heard the phrase garbage in, garbage out, you'll understand why this responsibility is so important. The work of a data modeler extends beyond the confines of technical tasks. They play a strategic role in helping businesses understand their data landscape. By developing comprehensive data models, they provide a roadmap that helps businesses navigate their data, identify opportunities, and make strategic decisions. In essence, a data modeler helps businesses turn data into valuable insights. They don't just work with data, they make data work for the business. They bridge the gap between technical data management and practical business application, ensuring that data is not just a collection of numbers, but a valuable asset that drives business success. So while it might seem like a data modeler's job is all about numbers and codes, it's really about enabling businesses to harness the power of data. It's about turning raw data into meaningful insights, helping businesses make better decisions, and ultimately contributing to their success. In essence, a data modeler helps businesses turn data into valuable insights. What skills does a data modeler need to succeed? You might ask. Well, it's a potent combination of technical knowledge, analytical prowess, and problem-solving ability. First and foremost, a solid understanding of databases is crucial. This includes knowledge of SQL and database management systems like Oracle or MySQL. Being familiar with different data types, structures, and relationships is also key. Beyond technical know-how, a data modeler needs an analytical mindset. They must have the ability to think critically, identify patterns, and make sense of complex data. In short, they should be able to see the forest for the trees, even when the forest is a sprawling database. Problem-solving skills are equally important. Data modelers often face complex issues and must devise effective solutions. They need to be tenacious, creative, and practical. And let's not forget about tools. Commonly used ones include ER Studio, Spark Systems, Enterprise Architect, and Power Designer. These tools help data modelers visualize, analyze, and manage data. With these tools and skills, a data modeler can turn raw data into a goldmine of insights. Being a data modeler is not without its challenges and rewards. Juggling vast data sets and untangling intricate issues can sometimes be a daunting task. But let's flip the coin. The other side reveals a highly competitive salary, the flexibility of working hours, and a plethora of opportunities for career progression. And remember, challenge often breeds innovation. So despite the hurdles, the rewards and opportunities in data modeling are immense. Intrigued by the world of data modeling? We've journeyed together through the roles, responsibilities, the skills and tools you'd need, and the benefits and challenges that come with it. If problem solving and working with data spark your curiosity, this might be your calling. Remember, a career in data modeling is not just a job, it's an adventure in the world of tech. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about exciting careers in tech, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and check out our other videos. Your journey into the world of data modeling starts here.